I've been waiting to open this with you. I'm assuming that it's the Nudes. Let's take a look together. Aha! Oh, I need lights. Okay, let's try these out. I didn't know that there were gonna be this many lipsticks in there. This is a hair up situation. Mac has been busy. Oh my God, my lips. I told my husband I'd be right back. I thought I had 4 to try. Should I do it in 2 parts? I have to try Cool Spice out. Is this like the original? Love it. That is my kind of color. Look at, this is from my last video. I gotta wash this off. I'm not very prepared for this. Okay, so this is Cool Spice. Where is an Old Spice? Old Spice. Much warmer. I like the Cool Spice much better. That is newer. See, they keep changing colors. Not sure how old that one is. This is also Spice. I have a problem. I have another Spice. Okay, and I don't know what years these are from. These 3 are fairly similar. I really like this. This is my color. So let me try on a few lipsticks tonight, and then I will come back in the morning and do this again. So I'm gonna start off with Acting Natural. Acting Natural is a warm toned light nude beige. I need to exfoliate my lips, and Spice isn't the right color for this. Mac recommends pairing it with Stone Lip Pencil for the perfect definition. Oh, now I'm curious. I feel like anyone that likes taupe would like this. I think it's cool. Probably not great on me and my coloring, but it is a really pretty color. And I could see this on a lot of people. I love playing around with lipsticks for different moods. You know, some people love fashion and love changing shoes. Lipstick is so easy. Watch me want to do this all fresh tomorrow. Folio is a grayish nude and ideal for cooler undertones. This shade pairs beautifully with the grayish lip pencil to keep things seamless and polished. I have this with Stone, and I think it looks nice with Stone actually. Let me try it with grayish. Oh yeah, that matches better. When I look at this color, I wouldn't say, oh, that's so pretty. I say that's cool. It's different, right? Let's go with Yash. Yash is an ultralight neutral nude, a classic MAC shade that's back in this silky matte formula. Pair it with Cool Spice lip pencil for a cohesive look. Normally I would do this before the lipstick, but I really want to show you what it looks like without a lip liner so you can see the true color of the lipstick. Out of these 3, this is my favorite. The formula is really nice. Okay, let's go with Cool Teddy. Cool Teddy, a cool deep tone beige. This shade is elegant and perfect for anyone who loves a slightly deeper nude. It pairs beautifully with the Soar lip pencil. I feel like this one could be worn with any lip liner. That's really pretty with Soar. Just gives that nice gradient effect. Let's go with Iconic Photo. Iconic Photo is a golden brown that's rich and luxurious. If you love warm, earthy tones, this one's for you. Pair it with the Cork lip pencil for a bold yet sophisticated look. I don't think I have Cork. In fact, I'm sure of it. Let's do Bare Maximal. This is a rich chocolate brown. It's the boldest nude in this collection. I need a lip liner for this. That's messy. Pair it with the Chestnut lip liner for added depth. I always like these colors. You're gonna get sick of me saying that it makes my teeth look white. It does, and that makes me happy. And I think it goes with my skin. Oh, I got Powder Kiss liquid lip color. Right, so I've got a different texture to try too. I can't speak. Oh, I have a lot of those. Okay, they're all different heights, so I'm confused. Oh, there's Lusterglass. So Lusterglass must be coming out. The Golden Girls Mini Lusterglass lipstick. That was available at Christmas. And I did a live stream on YouTube where I swatched all of them and I couldn't find it anywhere, but my guess is that they're coming out with those colors for their regular stock. And I feel like I'm right. When I come back in the morning, I'm gonna look different. I'm gonna do a nude eyeshadow too so that these aren't clashing. It's nighttime again and it's days later. I kind of forgot the groove that I'm in. Did I even have a groove? I always figure it out as I go. So I am a little bit more prepared this time though. I have the matching lip liners to the rest of the lipsticks that I have to try. First off, I've got Peach Stock. Let's try it alone first. These colors do not look good on me. Let's try it with a lip liner though. To me, that's what a color like this needs, is an outline. I know it's gonna look better with this. Kind of out of the lines a little bit, but That's okay. What a difference that makes, eh? Out of curiosity, I actually think this would even look better topped with a gloss. I've got MAC's lip gloss here. Oh my gosh, I used to use this all the time. It has the best shine. Just like that. Good without the gloss too, but the gloss just makes it pop a little bit more. Then I've got Hodgepodge. Hodgepodge is a mocha mid-tone brown, and they say to pair it with greige. I feel like I have remnants of the last color on, like the Cool Spice. See under here? It's messing me up, so I'm gonna try again. Let's start fresh. Okay, let's try it with greige. We kind of have an idea of what it looks like on its own. I feel like I've been putting too much on. It doesn't have to be like, you don't need to go over it a couple times. Once is good. I feel like these are really gonna be nice for darker skin. And let's go for Stone. Stone will definitely go with Stone Lip Pencil. Yeah. One swipe. Now onto the Powder Kiss liquid lip color. I'm gonna start off with Habit. Habit is a peachy nude and it's recommended to pair with Strip Down. It's a liquid lip color with a whipped mousse-like texture that delivers soft focus, moisture matte, comfortable color. The colors stay true for 10 hours, non-creasing, non-flaking, non-drying. Oh, they're really buttery. It feels nice. Has anyone tried this formula before? I feel like, have I not tried this? It's Personal is a warm tone, light beige neutral. It does blur the lines, doesn't it? What do we think? Oh, that says to pair it with Stone. I do think it needs a little something. Yeah, I like it better with the lip pencil. Pretty, very soft. Why have I not tried this before? I'm glad I have a chance. Really nice texture. I'm not able to tell you how it lasts. I have to film another video tomorrow and I'll put that formula on and wear it all day and I'll give you an update. Right now it feels very comfortable. Next one is Taken. Taken is a warm toned light brown. It says to pair it with Plum. Plum, eh? Do I have Plum? I feel like you could pair this with anything, but I do think Plum would look good. I think Whirl would look good. And I'm not sure if I have Plum. Oh, I do have a Plum from my old collection. This will go nice with my shirt. My application is getting messy. Oh, it really is. Oh, why do I film so late at night? That's pretty, I like that a lot. Next up is Buffest. Is that how you say it? This is described as a mid-tone nude pink. Again, I would be putting my lip liner on first, but the lip liner can change the color, so I don't want to do that to you. And again, it says to pair with Stone, but I don't want to pair it with Stone. I want to go with Whirl. I'm breaking the rules. Because I like the tone of this. There's no rules. They're only suggestions anyway. Yeah, and I actually think this would be good with Plum. Okay, you get the idea. I feel like that might be my favorite out of the Powder Kiss formula. All wearable. And the last Powder Kiss lip color is in Chestnut. This is gonna be dark. There, it's better when I mush in. I feel like it was getting a little bit patchy by me trying to apply it. Okay, let's pair it with Chestnut. I am really messy. Just want to soften the edges. And I'm not gonna get this perfect, and it's okay. Last three lipsticks. These are the Lusterglass lipsticks, and first I'm gonna be trying on Alone Time. Alone Time is a mauve brown, and it's recommended to pair with Cool Spice. I love this formula, love it. I find with the Lusterglass, it's sheerer, so it's a bit more friendly. So if you're looking for a cool tone, but you don't want it to kind of mute you out, it doesn't absorb the light like the Powder Kiss formula does, and I think it's really flattering. I would wear this all the time. Then we have Signature Move. The tone is greige. It recommends Plum as a lip liner. I'm not even gonna try it with the lip liner. I think this looks so pretty, and we know what plum looks like. And what a difference this is. It says it's greige, but then if you look at the greige lip pencil, it's very different. And last one, yay! Not that I don't wanna be here with you, but I think my dogs are waiting for their bone. All right, this one is called Uncensored. It's a cool dark brown, but very wearable. And I think this would look good on anybody. I forgot to tell you that it says pair it with chestnut lip liner. I am not doing that. I did not get along well with that one. I would still probably stick with Whirl. Thank you for sticking with me and dealing with my part 1, part 2 situation. I'm so happy I got this done, and I hope this helps everyone. I love all the formulas. I think MAC has just stepped up their game. Everything's just like luxe. It feels luxurious. The colors all look beautiful, and I am very happy. Let me take my hair down. I cut my hair and it's looking a little wild. I have to give a big thank you to MAC Cosmetics. It's always so exciting when I get a package from them. It means a lot to me, especially since I worked with MAC. I've worked with them a couple times actually, and they were in my professional kit all my career. So it's really cool to receive anything from MAC, and I'm just so grateful. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave me a comment below. Which color did you like best? It helps my channel grow when you hit the subscribe button and you comment and you like it and engage. It really does help me out, and I love seeing you guys here. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I will see you later. Bye.